Hi everybody, I am going to show you how to play a game called Mastermind. This is a game that we often play at the start of a maths lesson in a part of the maths lesson that we call the number fluency. The number fluency is a game, something to get your brain warmed up and ready to do the maths lesson. And I really want you to be doing these still at home, number fluency, before you start your maths lesson for the day. Here is one of the things that you can do for your number fluency. It's called Mastermind. Now, we all know how to play it at school, but this is a little explanation to help you remember how to play it at home. Usually we play it on the whiteboard, but you can see here I have drawn this up on a big piece of paper, and you probably need to do the same thing at home as well. Find a piece of paper, it doesn't have to be a big one, and draw up this, okay? So I've got, which is very important, you need to have some different colours, different coloured textures or pencils to play this game. Black is going to mean that the digit that's guessed is not in the number I've thought of at all. Red is going to mean that the digit is in the number, but it's in the wrong place. And blue will mean that it is the right number and is in the right place, okay? So when you've set yourself up with the colours that you need and a piece of paper, you need a partner, you need someone else to play with, of course, and one of you is going to think of a number that the other person's going to try and guess. So I've thought of a number and I'm going to show it to you. This number here. Okay. Now, because it's just me here, I'm kind of playing against myself. I already know what the number is when I do my guesses. But to show you how to play the game, that's how we're going to do it today. So that was the number. I'll show you one more time so that you know that's the number. All right, first guess is 478. Okay, so there is a 4 in the number, but it's not in the hundreds. So this is going to be red. Okay, in the number, but that's not where it's supposed to be. Let me show you the number again. You'll be able to see it's not in the hundreds. Okay, then 78, 478 was the number. 7 is in the right spot, so that's going to be blue. I'll show you the number again so that you can double check that I'm doing it right. And then 78, there is no 8 in this number at all, so that's in black. Okay, now the person who's guessing uses that information to make another guess, trying to get closer to what the number is that I've written down. So we know that the 4 is in this number somewhere, but it's not in the hundreds. 7 is already confirmed to be here in the tens, so there's only one other place that 4 can be. So in my next guess, I'm going to make sure that I put it in the right spot where I think it's supposed to go. All right, next guess is 674. 674 is my guess. I wonder if you can think as you're watching this what I'm going to do, which colour and which number. 674. So the 6, there is no 6 in this number, so it's black. It's not in the number anywhere. We already know the 7, that's confirmed. That's in that spot there. And the 4 is here in the units. That is confirmed. So you can see here the number. Yeah. Doing pretty good. The only unknown is the hundreds at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and guess again because I know what the number is. 374. Look at my number again. That's the right one. So that means that this time, and when you get to this point in your game, it's very exciting when all of the digits are in the colour that means they're right. 374. We got it right. So that's how you play Mastermind. If you have time, you could always swap over with whoever you're playing with and they could have a go at guessing. If you wanted to make this game easier, you could just do it with a 2-digit number and just do tens and units. If you wanted to make it a little bit harder, you could go up to thousands or tens of thousands. Well, good luck playing Mastermind. See you later.